Yep.
Welcome back to another episode of Nick
And Matt.
Good morning. Oh, Miss Cashew, just trotting along. I'm just in the process of getting ready. Hopefully this is in focus. Drinking some rooibos, what is this one? Chai rooibos tea from Numi. I usually drink herbal coffee in the morning, but I'm all out, so I thought I would do tea. Usually I'll have tea like in the afternoon or something. But yeah, we are getting ready because we have a very long day today. So I thought I would vlog and bring you guys along because, you know, you guys love busy, boring vlogs. No, it's not gonna be boring. It's gonna be like really busy. Lots of things happening today. So we are actually just getting ready because we're gonna drop off Cashew with my sister at her boyfriend's. They're gonna puppy sit her, which is so sweet. Thanks, Chloe. And then we're going to the city. We have our nephew's first birthday on Matt's side of the family, and that's gonna be in the city, so we have to go to that. And then we are also, before that, we're gonna try to hit West Elm to look at some furniture because this ain't cutting it. Like, this is not a table. Sorry, my hair is like crazy. I just took it out of like a high bun that I was sleeping in. So we wanna go to West Elm. We've been eyeing, see, we have like fold up chairs. We've just been slacking on the furniture. A, it costs a lot of money to get a bunch of furniture all at once. And B, we've just been busy with like projects and the shop and things like that. So we've just been kind of just making do with what we have, which is totally fine. And yeah, right now West Elm is having a huge sale. So there's a couple things that I know I wanna get, like there's a bed frame because we're gonna be getting a king size bed for this place. There's some nightstands, buffet table, and maybe a dining room table. We're still waiting to see if we're gonna get a custom one done or not. We're just like, yeah, it costs a lot of money to buy furniture all at once. So we're kind of just like biting the bullet and realizing we gotta do it, right, Matt?
Even IKEA ain't cheap anymore.
I know, and that's the thing. We like, IKEA is great, but I really like, I've been there, I've done IKEA, I've done Kijiji, the hand-me-downs, and I really wanted to invest in some pieces for our own space that we can kind of like grow with and stuff. So I really wanted to invest a little bit. So it's a little bit harder to do that when you are used to shopping at IKEA, but we're gonna slowly do that with this place and, you know, still save money when we can. I found this beautiful mobile chandelier light on West Elm. It was quite expensive. On sale, I think it was $4.50, and I saw a copycat that was a fraction of the price. So we ordered them in. If they turn out pretty, I will share with you what they are and what the website is, but it's kind of a gamble. We ordered 2 lights from this website that I never heard of. I found it on Pinterest. So it's like a dupe for the West Elm one. That's enough out of you. I know, you don't like the Swiffer. That's enough. You don't gotta get all crazy. Look who's here, Miss Cluster. Hey, okay, you be good? We were laughing at Chloe before because these are like the worst puppy pants because she just wants to bite them. Look at her ears. Oh, what's that? I know. This is the only full-length mirror in the house, so this is what I'm wearing. I have my sandals. I need to get a pedicure. Faux leather jacket from Zara. Actually, this whole outfit is Zara, and since I'm getting my hair done today, I didn't want to really do too much to it. I just did half up, half down, and lightly curled it. These are my new sunnies from Target. I'm not sure if the Target haul will be up by now, but yeah, that was very baby boy birthday, right? And this lipstick, I will link down below. I'm obsessed with it. It's like the perfect peachy summery color. And yeah, that's what I'm wearing. All right, it is gorgeous. I think it's the hottest day so far. I think it's gonna be 18 today.
We've had a couple of days where like you could wear shorts out. You know, I guess it's early still. So I'm like, it's still chilly, but.
Morning. It's probably like, our neighbor's probably like, why is there a camera in your car? We're the weird neighbors. And I'm like, nothing to see here. No vlogging is happening. and this is my first time being in a West Elm location actually in Canada. I've been to one in New York. It is so freaking gorgeous in here. I wish our whole place was like this. Oh my god. It's dangerous to be here. So cute. Okay, Matt's telling me to go this way. This is so health nutty. Look at that chair. Look at this. Matt, look at how cute. Is this outdoor? Oh my goodness. Look at that couch. Matt, I want this. I want everything. So this is one of the pieces that we were looking at to get for the living room. It's a buffet table. Spent the most money we've probably ever spent on furniture. $4,000 later, we were in West Elm for like 45 minutes. That's the most money I've ever spent in that short amount of time. But honestly, it seems like a lot of money. We got so many things. We discovered there's like an as-is like section, kind of like IKEA has, like a clearance section, and basically it's final sale. And a lot of the pieces that we had that we wanted anyways were like majorly discounted. So we got 2 buffets, like, well, one's kind of like a stand, but there's storage and everything. So 2 really big size furniture pieces, 2 nightstands. We got 2 bar stools that are beautiful, and then we got a beautiful like oatmeal colored wool rug. Which rugs, if you guys don't know, because now I know prices of things because I've been shopping for, or like online shopping or searching for home things, they're expensive. They can be like, even at Costco for the sizes that we were looking at, were a few $100s. So this one was on sale for $150. It was 100% wool, which is really nice to have like those natural fibers and not just like polyester. So yeah, and that was with tax and delivery, right?
3 items delivered.
3 items delivered.
The big items.
So in the back here we have the bar stools and the nightstands. But yeah, it was a lot of money, but honestly I feel like they were things that we've been eyeing online for a bit, and like I said, it's an investment. They're all very good quality, neutral pieces, and I'm just so excited. Like, I feel like we're finally gonna start getting the place together. So anyways, we are now heading to the birthday party. We're running late. Apparently there was supposed to be a family photo shoot beforehand. We did not know, or we didn't remember, I'm not sure. Yeah, so we're running a little late and there's traffic, so yay Toronto. Baby Finn will be there soon. Hi honey, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yay. Oh, is your cake? So I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek to one of our secret projects. So we're just dropping these off somewhere. That's all I'm giving you, but we got a few more. Look who got here. You're on, we're calling you on Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol?
Yeah, you're on doggy duty.
She's already turned me into a chew
Oh,
toy.
is she chewing you?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so okay. I said it's Cinco de Mayo, so she has her avocado. Where is she?
She like ran around.
Cashew? Oh. What are you doing?
In the room.
You're up to no good. I know. You know she's doing something when she's quiet. All right, so I just brushed up my hair. Connor's gonna do a dry cut and take off some of the length before we put some color in it. He sent me another inspo photo, and I'm not gonna lie, it's really blonde. Matt said, that's hot when he saw it. But I'm really excited. I don't know how blonde it's gonna go, but it's pretty dark right now. Like, someone thought—
I haven't seen you this dark
yeah,
in a while.
Like, compare, look at Anthony.
I mean, if you're gonna compare the blonde.
I know, that's gonna be me.
Yeah,
Hang
just
on.
like the ends. If you like kind of did this, and like it would
Yeah.
blend into this.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go, that's the vibe.
That's what's happening. Yeah, so I feel like someone the other day asked if I dyed my hair dark, and I'm like, no, there's just no blonde in it. It's like been chopped off, so I'm excited. We'll get some behind the scenes of what's going on. My VIP hairstylist, Connor, who does house visits, but not really. I'm feeding you later, so you know, you get cashew hugs and licks, so she's so cute.
So sweet.
She's a huge distraction, I'm warning you now.
That's okay.
Yep. How many more strands?
A million.
Until
Is
he
there
runs
that
out of
many?
hair.
Nicole's got a lot of hair.
Do I?
Yes.
Yes. Sorry.
Like how many more?
I feel like I'm always
It's like you're
worried
almost
that-
done, but is it just like so little?
Still a whole
Connor's a
chunk to
champ.
go.
You just do that in one big
Connor,
thing,
you're
no?
making the best
Just like
maple
put one
salsa ever.
one big slab on there and you're
One big slap of color.
I'm so excited. It's gonna be awesome. I've been
Beautiful.
wanting to go blonder for a while. So we've washed out the dye. Cashew's on my lap, distracting both me and Connor. Connor's concentrating on science.
Get in my meditative zone.
Yeah. Wow. Already so short. I think we're going a little shorter after. Guys, I put them to work. Matt is on the wings and Anthony is doing the taquitos. Yes. So I got some toner going on. The guys are doing an amazing job prepping our food. Anthony squeezed with his bare hands.
I mean, this
Grapefruit.
wasn't the most efficient juicer.
I know this
I've
is a
ever
food
worked
prop one.
with. You know, you make it
We're
work.
using jalapenos, and then Matt did an amazing rim job. Yeah, I thought it was very well done. The chicken wings and the broken taquitos are in there.
Cheers. Is it bomb?
Oh, so salty. Matt put so much salt.
I just rolled in salt.
Delicious though. Did I do okay for my first margarita?
Yeah.
Very
Oh,
fresh.
now I'm getting more flavor.
Yeah. You're like, all I tasted. You're like, that's salt?
Okay. Happy Cinco de Mayo!
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
We have the mango salsa, aka gazpacho, guac, Anthony's taquito.
You laugh, but they're
They look
delicious.
so good.
It tastes better than they look.
And then we have, these are some wings that Matt prepped. Oh my god, it's so cute. Can you see the bag? I'm obsessed with it. The cut is exactly what I wanted. I was telling Connor, I'm like, well, I'm gonna have to film tomorrow because his hair is so darn cute. I was also saying my mom's gonna want this haircut because she also has short blonde hair. So, Mama G, we be twinning. Is so cute. I'm gonna be blonde for the summer. Oh, that was dark. By the way, our Cinco de Mayo feast was delicious. Matt, what do you think?
Beautiful. It's nice.
Hello. It's so, like, I love the profile. Like, I don't know if it's
Yeah.
focused, but
You and Cashew now have the same kind of colored hair.
we do. Look, we're just a cute little family.
Cashew.
Okay, I'm actually, this is what I needed.
Nice little refresh.
Yeah, no, like I needed this like 2 months ago.
Nice.
I waited too long.
Great job, Connor. I will
Connor, you're
declare
the
room.
best.
You're the best.
No, you're the best.
No,
No,
you're
you're the best.
I'm gonna sweep
Okay, I'm the best.
You're right, okay.
I'll get the...
Okay, are we matching Blondie's gut?
I mean, it kind of, I mean, the vibe is there.
Maybe like this.
That little like one piece section.
Yeah, Connor gave me a little bit of Anthony.
The zhuzh.
It's so cute.
No,
Like
I
I
love
love the side. It's
Yeah,
like
the profile's the
straight.
best part. Boom.
So cute. Oh my god.
Pretty from every angle. Now you're gonna literally wake up like this.
Yeah, I am because it's like I'm just like Sleeping Beauty, and then
Boom.
hey Cash.
She's like, I'm done with this.
She doesn't care. Yeah. she
She's
doesn't
like,
care.
Mommy, I need to go to sleep.
By the way, if you guys don't know, Anthony has a channel. Link it down below. What would you call your channel? Like men's fashion? Okay, what's the
Yeah, I would say men's
Description.
fashion.
Oh, that was really close.
Yeah, well, thank you for the double chin angle.
What would you call it?
Men's fashion, styling, sneakers, just, you know, helping guys dress and learn about like streetwear.
Yeah, and I was saying that we need to have Anthony take Matt shopping for like a capsule wardrobe, like
I would love to do that. I would love to do that.
Yeah, and we'll just give you a budget, and then you can help him buy new clothes, because like Matt wears the same thing every day.
And then
drives me nuts, because he looks really nice in nice clothes.
Yeah.
He just doesn't.
It's not his shtick. He just doesn't enjoy it. But once he's in the clothes, he likes it.
Yeah.
It's one of those things. You just want to go through the process. So I'll take him out. I'll make sure you approve of all the clothing. He'll say, "Oh, I'm not sure if I like it," until he puts it on.
You can send me your Pinterest board.
Of course, naturally.
Beforehand, and then I'll approve, because you know I have to see it all the time. So.
You need a mood board.
Yeah, but comment down below, guys, if you want Matt to have a wardrobe makeover by yours truly.
I'm ready, and willing.
So questions a day today. If you guys could do any hair color, even if it just doesn't have to be forever, just a day, what would you do? I feel like mine would be like pink, or like go really blonde with like little bits of kind of that pastel.
Pink in the
yeah,
throat?
Something like that.
I think I would do like mint green. I feel like I could like kind of pull that off. Maybe.
Yeah, I feel like, I mean, you could just do color for a day.
True. Yeah. I mean, it's so blonde I can literally do whatever I want.
Yeah, you could do like that hair chalk, and then boom,
done.
Yeah. So, oh my goodness. Okay, well, yeah, I'm gonna obsess over my hair, and be sure to subscribe. Click that red subscribe button down below. We post new vlogs every single Friday, and that's gonna be it.
Like, subscribe, name your unborn children after Nikki.
Nikole with a K, so you know how to spell it properly. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy the rest of our night, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.